Happy New Year, financial year that is. I hope that financial year 2025 went well, and I hope that financial year 2026 is even better for you. So now that 25 is done and dusted, hopefully all of your tax planning strategies were implemented and you've been able to save yourself some tax. Now it's time to turn our attention to 2026 financial year. And the first place to start is really with a budget. And in order to prepare the budget, a good place to begin is to start by analysing and reviewing what happened in 2025 from a financial point of view. What was the good, the bad, the ugly, dare I say. So really look at the revenue and expense items. What worked, what didn't, what would you like to do better? So the next aspect is to then say, well, what is my plan for 2026? Really delve into your revenue streams, really set specific financial and measurable targets. Are you looking at doing something differently, or are you just simply building on what you have? Look at your cost reduction strategies. Where can you save some money on things that aren't adding value? What about some investment strategies and potential priorities? So really delve into that. Prepare your sales forecast. Is it flat across the year? Is it seasonal? What opportunities do you have to maybe bolster those lower months? So really look at that and see what your potential outlook look like. Obviously, you then need to delve into your fixed and variable costs. Really look at where you're spending your money, how you're spending it. Are you really getting value from all the things you're spending your money on? Obviously, we then need to look at any capital expenditure. Do you need to invest in new equipment, assets, vehicles, computers, whatever the case might be? What's going to be able to enable you to reach those targets? So there is going to be some spending potentially to reach those growth targets that you're after. So having done that, you'll potentially have an estimated profit. You then need to convert that budget forecast into a cash flow forecast and really then delve into the timing of payments you receive, payments you make. Because forecasting a profit might be one thing, but what is the cash flow implications? Particularly, as I said earlier, with regards to those seasonal implications, there might be some months where you're actually in a deficit rather than a surplus from a cash perspective. And you don't want to be, end up in a situation where you can't meet your commitments in that particular period. So building up cash buffers for those periods is going to be critical. In fact, having a cash buffer in your business, profitable or not, is critical because that gets you through those leaner times. So really look at your numbers, really analyse it, look at your strategy. What are you wanting to achieve in 2026? And when you start doing that and start really getting critical and analytical, that's when you can make some really good decisions, and that's when you're going to get the most out of what you're doing. If you don't know exactly what your financial position is, it's going to be difficult to plan things. Hope you found this useful. As I said at the beginning, I hope 2026 is going to be a great one for you. Look forward to speaking with you soon. Bye for now.